Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I share tips on how to make money online, career development, self-development. I share design tips, tutorial, and everything you need to grow as a professional UI/UX designer. Today, we will delve into one of the most important elements in Figma called frames. Figma is a design tool, but if you don't know anything about Figma, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will create a video covering introduction to Figma because of you. Like I said earlier, today we're going to look at frames in Figma. If you are new to Figma, this tutorial will make creating frames super easy for you. The question is, what are frames and why are they important? Frames are like containers that hold your design elements together, like your text, shape, images. Why are frames so important? Why are we studying frames? With frames, you can organize your design. Frames help you to create responsive layouts. It helps keep everything structured. Do you know what? I'm so happy for you today because you are going to create your first frame today. So come, let's explore Figma. Let's go to Figma now and do something. You'll see what you can do. When you open a page in Figma, you will see a blank canvas. Think of the blank canvas as your digital whiteboard where you design everything before exporting. To create a frame, click the frame tool on the bottom bar or simply press F on your keyboard. Left click and drag. If you want your frame to have equal width and breadth, that is, if you want it to be a square, hold Shift, left click and drag. Or for example, if you want to design a mobile app or website, you can choose from preset device sizes on the right panel. Click on the frame tool again. Go to the right panel, you will see several devices. If you are designing for a phone, you can click iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro Max or any other phone you want. If you are designing a website, click on the frame tool again. Go to the right panel and click desktop. Once your frame is ready, you can adjust the properties of the frame. Now let's customize the frame. To adjust the properties of the frame, click the frame and go to the right hand panel. You will see the properties of the frame. The properties include the size, position, layout, appearance, corner radius, fill, stroke, effects, layout guide, and export. In this tutorial, we will look at just a few of them. First, let's handle the size of the frame. You can adjust the width and height here. I would like to increase the height and reduce the width of this frame. As you can see, I just did it. Or you can simply click the frame and drag to vertical to increase the height, or drag to horizontal to increase the width. Let's add color to our frame. We can add colors under fill. Click this small box here. You will see this. Let's identify everything you can see. Here is the color indicator. This is the color picker to pick any color you want from an object. This is the hue. You can adjust it to fit whatever color you want to add to the frame. This is the opacity. You can also adjust it. Let's add color to this frame, which can serve as the background. I want to add yellow. I will adjust the hue to give me yellow and adjust the color indicator to give me the shade I want. I have added yellow to my frame. Let's use the color picker to add a color to this other frame. Let's create a square frame and add a color like blue. We can add this blue color to this our main frame using the color picker or simply pressing I. Now let's add the color. Click the main frame. Let's go to fill. Click the small box again. Click the pen icon. Move it to this small frame and click. You see, we just used the color picker to add a color to our main frame. If you are enjoying this tutorial, like, subscribe, and share with others. Let's look at the stroke property. Here we can add borders and customize the thickness of the frame. To add a stroke, click this plus icon. Let's add a thickness of 20. You can also add color to your stroke, just the way we added to the frame. Let's add color to our stroke. You can also remove the stroke by clicking the minus icon. I will duplicate this frame. Let's remove the stroke from the new frame. Wow, the stroke has been removed. Another important property is the corner radius. We can round the corners of frames if you prefer rounded corners. How can we do this? Click your frame and go to the appearance property. Click the incomplete square icon after the 100%. Let's add a radius of 20. There is more to the corner radius that you will learn in later videos. Let's look at nested frames. That is adding frames inside another frame. Do you know you can add other frames inside your main frame? Just press F or click the frame tool again and draw inside the main frame, or drag a frame you already created on the canvas inside the main frame. We are done creating and customizing our frames. The next step is to export. But why do we even need to export? Well, exporting lets you take your design outside Figma, maybe to share with a client, give access to developers, or even post your work on social media. To export, click on the frame you want to export. Go to the right panel where we adjusted the other properties. Click the plus icon by the right side of export and select the format you wish to export the frame. This can be PNG, JPG, SVG, or PDF. Let's export this frame as PNG. Once you click export, you can save it wherever you wish on your PC. And that's how to create frames and customize frames in Figma. It was easy, right? I guess you have created your first frame today. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more UI/UX design tutorial. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I will respond to everyone. Don't forget, the best way to become a better designer is to practice, so keep practicing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.